Today, we are going to show you a seaside wooden chalet project where we will be applying Bonshure Deck Oil 003 Teak Color as the base coat, followed by Bonshure Deck Oil 002 Antique Pine as the top coat. After opening the sealed container of Bonshure Deck Oil Teak Color, stir the coating thoroughly using a wooden stick before application. Our deck oil does not have hard sediment settling at the bottom of the container. Once the deck oil is stirred thoroughly, it is ready for application on the chalet wall. Simply use a brush to apply the coating evenly onto the wooden surface. The coating provides a very smooth and easy brushing experience during application. For Bonshure Deck Oil Teak Color, we are using transparent color pigments. This allows the natural wood grain to remain clearly visible after application, without fully covering the wood surface, while at the same time enhancing the natural wood tone and appearance. Most importantly, this transparent pigment offers excellent heat durability, making it highly suitable for Malaysia's hot and humid tropical climate. Our Bonshure Deck Oil series is solvent-based. The reason we choose a solvent-based system instead of a water-based type is because we believe solvent-based coatings provide better durability and performance for exterior wood applications, especially under Malaysia's harsh outdoor tropical climate. Besides that, for outdoor applications, there is generally less concern regarding coating smell or formaldehyde exposure. After the Bonshure Deck Oil Teak Color has become touch dry, it is ready for the application of Bonshure Deck Oil Antique Pine as the top coat. As before, stir the coating thoroughly using a wooden stick before application. As you can see, Bonshure Deck Oil Antique Pine is also very easy to brush and apply. The coating feels very smooth during application and can be brushed through evenly across the wooden surface. This coating plays a very important role, because it contains a high UV reflective component that helps protect the wood stain color from fading under sunlight exposure. For the best performance and durability, we highly recommend applying one coat of Bonshure Deck Oil Teak Color followed by 2 coats of Bonshure Deck Oil Antique Pine. Our Bonshure Deck Oil is specially formulated to maintain excellent pigment stability, even after being stored for up to 1 year under proper storage conditions. The coating will not develop hard pigment settlement at the bottom of the container. This makes the product easy to stir and ready for application whenever needed. Finally, you can see the beautiful and consistent sheen of the finished surface, giving the wood a smooth and elegant matte finish. For vertical application, follow by 1 layer of teak color and 2-layer antique pine. The durability of the coating can last for 6 to 7 years without coating issue against weather.